Imagine embarking on a journey through the labyrinth of human relationships, guided by the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy. Today, we delve into the depths of Stoicism to uncover the 7 archetypes of individuals who can either uplift or derail our path towards resilience and wisdom. Before we embark on this odyssey, take a moment to engage with our community. Like this video to support the spread of Stoic philosophy, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe and activate the bell to join our journey of growth and enlightenment. First, the complainer. In the vast landscape of human interaction, we all encounter the complainer, the perpetual rain cloud casting shadows on the sunniest days. Their negativity seeps into our psyche, draining our emotional reservoirs. Stoicism teaches us to weather this storm with resilience. Picture a collaborative project tainted by constant complaints. Stoics would pivot towards actionable solutions, shielding themselves from the torrent of negativity. Second, the drama magnet. Enter the drama magnet, the whirlpool of chaos disrupting our tranquil waters. Their unending crises threaten to engulf us, leaving us exhausted and adrift. Stoicism advises us to navigate these turbulent seas with calm resolve. Reflective listening and selective unavailability become our life rafts, guiding us away from the drama's pull. Third, the Naysayer. In the landscape of possibility, the Naysayer casts shadows of doubt, threatening to obscure our brightest aspirations. Stoicism empowers us to confront this darkness with unwavering resolve. By seeking constructive feedback and embracing positive confrontation, we illuminate the path forward, guided by the light of our own convictions. Fourth, the victim. Picture the chessboard of life, where each move shapes our destiny. The victim sees themselves perpetually in checkmate, blaming external forces for their plight. Stoicism reminds us that true liberation lies in taking ownership of our choices. By setting boundaries and refusing to be the pawn in someone else's game, we reclaim our agency and chart our own course. Fifth, the toxic positivist. In the garden of life, the toxic positivist spreads an indiscriminate layer of false optimism, stifling our authentic emotions. Stoicism teaches us to cultivate emotional resilience by embracing life's complexities. Through emotional granularity and balanced reflection, we nurture a garden of authenticity, where both sunshine and rain nourish our growth. Sixth, the manipulator. Imagine our lives as intricate narratives, where we are the authors of our own destinies. The manipulator seeks to rewrite our story, subtly steering us off course. Stoicism empowers us to reclaim our narrative by setting clear boundaries and refusing to be swayed by emotional coercion. With each assertive action, we rewrite the script of our lives, guided by our own principles and values. Seventh, the time vampire. In the symphony of life, the time vampire disrupts our harmony, draining our most precious resource, time. Stoicism reminds us to value each moment as a stroke of our own brush, painting the masterpiece of our lives. Through the Pomodoro technique and the art of saying no, we reclaim our time and conduct our lives with purposeful intent. As we conclude our exploration of life's 7 archetypes, let us not forget the mirror they hold up to our own selves. Stoicism invites us to introspect, to recognize and transcend these roles within us. Share your reflections in the comments below, and let us continue this journey of growth and self-discovery together. Until next time, may your choices align with your virtues, may your actions reflect your wisdom, and may your life be the masterpiece you're meant to create.